Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use the Remove Background plugin in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and then once you're in this main site, make sure that you're logged in on your account. Now, from the main dashboard, select the project where you have the image that you want to remove the background from. So, I'm going to select this project. Now, once you're inside, as you can see, I have a picture of a man in front of a volcano. But I want to remove the background. To do that, we're going to go to the bottom panel and then click on Plugins and Widgets and search for Remove Background. Right here, we're going to use this plugin. So, as you can see, there are two steps. First, we're going to set an API key. Now, you would see this window right here. First, click here, and it will redirect you to the site of Remove Background. Now, make an account for this site. Continue. Once you have an account, agree and sign up. Now, go back to Figma and then click on this link right here to get your API key. As you can see, here are my API keys. Currently, I still don't have one since it's a new account. So, click here to add a new API key, give it a title or a label, and create. Now, we're going to copy this and click on Save Changes. After that, go back to Figma and paste your API key right here and click on Save. Now, select the picture or the photo that you want to remove the background. Click on Actions again and click on Run. Wait for a few seconds and as you can see, the background is now removed. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!